Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So clearly something different for me today. I've been feeling really uninspired when it comes to fashion this week. So I decided to do a little clean with me video. So I'm just showing you the before of my bedroom. So I always like to start off with making the bed. I think it always puts you in a good mood when you make the bed first. So these black pillows are body pillows and I cannot sleep without them. If you didn't know, I have fibromyalgia and find it difficult to get comfortable. But if I'm using these body pillows, it helps to balance out the weight of my body and lets me be comfortable in bed. So I can't live without them now. So now I'm just cleaning up any rubbish and taking out any cups. Now this weighted blanket is another must-have for me. If you suffer with anything to do with your muscles, the weighted blanket is amazing. Extremely heavy as it's a weighted blanket, but it's amazing. I would highly recommend it. I will try and link one below for you. Yeah, this is another thing I cannot sleep without now. So now I'm just folding the clothes, ready to be put away. I don't iron anything. I actually hate ironing. I only iron when I have to. Although I don't even have an iron anymore. I have a handheld steamer, which I will also link below because it's amazing.
I just can't let this go. Every last chance I had is gone, but I just can't let you know.
So I don't know what happened next. I don't know what happened to the footage of me hoovering. But there I was just using the 1001 spray after I had hoovered, which you spray on the carpets and then just leave down. It gives off an amazing smell. You will see the hoover that I use when I hoover the, oh, you can see it there, it's the shark hoover. So now I'm just using the, what one am I using? The lemon Zoflora diluted. Just using my spray mop. Okay, so onto the landing. I am just taking out the clothes, ready to be put away. Does anyone else feel like that's all they do is wash clothes and put them away? I've always got piles of washing to do. So I'm just going in now with my little feather duster, just to dust off the table. And I'm sorry you couldn't see, but I have two mirrors, which is what I'm cleaning right now. And then I'm just going to go back in with my trusty shark hoover and just get everything nice and clean. I don't know what I did without this hoover. It literally picks up every single thing. So now I'm going back in with the 1001 spray, just to leave down and make it smell really nice. Okay, so onto the kitchen. This is the before. Now this is the messiest room in the house. My dog, Willow, this is where she has her dinner, and if it's been raining, this is where she comes until she dries up. So first of all, I'm just going to fill up Willow's food basket. Always stocked up on this for her because it's her favourite. Now I'm just going to put a wash on, and I always use surf powder. I think surf smells the best. Oh, here she is. My beautiful baby. So now I'm just going to put some dishes away before I clean the sink area and fill the sink up to wash the next load. Basically, so I'm taking another Zoflora. This is a lovely smelling one. And a little Minky, and I'm just going to give everything a quick scrub before I fill the sink back up.
I just can't let this go. Every last chance I had is gone.
So using the fairy liquid, I'm going to fill it up and get some dishes washed.
Just can't let you know.
Okay, so after doing the dishes, I am now going to fill the sink back up with diluted Zoflora. I'm using the lemon one now. And taking the Minky again, I'm just going to simply wipe everything down, pull everything out, give it all a nice clean. And I love the lemon Zoflora because it leaves it smelling really clean and fresh. Zoflora is most definitely my favourite cleaning product to use. Because it's simple and you can use it everywhere and it smells amazing. Apart from the lemon one, my favourite Zoflora is the orange and cranberry one that you get around Christmas time. Okay, so onto the cooker now. I'm just giving this a quick wipe down. Okay, so I think, oh sorry, I don't know what happened to my voice then. I think I'm going to get a lot of questions on the pots, the jars I have there. So they are originally from IKEA and I just had them personalised. Absolutely love them, but didn't realise how big they were when I ordered them. They are pretty hard to fill. Okay, so on to the last bit now. I'm just pulling everything out from here. I'm just giving all that a wipe down, still using the lemon Zoflora.
Let me in or let me go. Honestly, try honesty. No, just tell me what I want to hear, 'cause it could save us. Let me fly.
Okay, so taking my trusty shark hoover again, just giving the floor a quick hoover.
I just can't let this go. Every last chance I had is gone. But I just
And taking this spray mop again. This is still filled with the lemon Zoflora as well, so the whole kitchen is smelling of Zoflora now. And that's it. That's me done, guys, for the kitchen and the bedroom. I can do a whole house clean next time. You just have to let me know if you enjoy the clean with me videos.